If you have a rabbit sa iyong chart, this is a year of so many blessings, nobleman support, wealth opportunities, and here are the auxiliary stars that we have for the rabbit. Fortune virtue, heavenly virtue, at saka prosperity virtue. Oh, and from the word itself, alam mo na kung saan papunta yung mga virtues na to, which is money in sa ating pockets. No? There's a lot of opportunities for earning sa ating mga rabbits within 2026. So, anong pwede natin gawin? Sipagin. Huwag po natin sayangin ang mga opportunities because these minsan lang dumating, no? Every 12 years, itong mga tatlong wealth stars. So, i-maximize ang mga opportunities and say yes, the next year ka na mag-picture mo. Just kidding, but you know what I mean. Next naman is Jade Hall. Ang Jade Hall is all about asset increase and value. If kung meron kayong mga properties, meaning kung wala, hindi ito mag-a-apply sa inyo, no? So, a Jade Hall, this could actually mean asset o kaya naman yung knowledge mo, ikaw mismo, no? Since ini-improve mo palagi, constantly, you improve yourself, you learn something new, pwede mag-increase ang iyong personal worth, no? Sa iyong career. But of course, bago ko tayo magsimula sa the rest of the auxiliary stars, please do not forget to join my Telegram channel. Ayan po ang QR code. Marami po akong freebies na binibigay dyan. And at the same time, another set of freebies of information kung may newsletter, no? Ayan po ang video in helping you navigate paano po tayo makapasok sa aking newsletter. On top of that, you get a free ebook for 2026. Ayan. So going back to the rest of our auxiliary stars. So tatlo ang peach blossom ng ating rabbit, which is sky happiness, peach blossom, at saka salty fruit. So ano ibig sabihin nito? Sky happiness is emotional fulfillment. The things that you do, it's leading you to happiness, fulfillment, and joy. And this is an amazing start to have because for as long as you're happy with what you're doing, sa iyong career, mas nagkakaroon kayo ng resilience, no, consistency sa mga ginagawa mo. So this is something I definitely 100% approve, no, na auxiliary star na i-maximize. Next naman is speech blossom, meaning your likability is strong. Hindi lang siya nag-a-apply sa love life, this can also apply sa career. Lalong-lalo na kung kayo ay isang negosyante. Because as I always say, people buy from people who they like. So, ibig sabihin, mas maraming tao magla-like sa'yo. And then on top of that, meron pang salty pool. Now, salty pool can be a peach blossom star, pero pag hindi tayo nagmamanage carefully, this can also mean third-party interference. Doon. Kasi sobrang ang dami kakang-crush. Ayan. Ika kayo magkaroon ng mga temptations. If you're already satisfied and happy with your current relationship, huwag na natin patuloy. Hayaan nyo naman paganda yung mga yan. No? Don't pay attention anymore. Kasi it's another problem na pwede mo ipasok sa sarili mo and sa personal life mo, which you don't need because maganda ang gear sa pera. Sa pera ka na lang mag-focus. Next naman is fertile tongue. You end up offending someone na hindi mo sinasadya because you're too blunt, no? Ano ibig sabihin ng blunt? Yung wala ka na ng papelang paplay sa masyado. So, be careful. Iwasan po natin yan. Don't need additional problems at this point. We just want to magkaroon tayo ng more energy, more time to focus on things that are more important to us. Next naman is closing siya. Now, this one could lead to legal dispute due to documents, no? Mishandling of documents and so on and so forth. So, anong pwede natin gawin para maiwasan ito? Basahin niyo po any document na pumapasok sa inyo. Maybe sa opposite of sa career nyo, sa personal life, no? Make sure to make it a habit to review. Wag po tayo pa naman ng firma. Next naman is drifts. This is all about loss, grief, no? Mamaya may kakilala tayo, magkasakit, or biglang umalis, mag-migrate, no? So, yun siya. So, alamin ko natin ito at para maiwasan po ang unexpected death, it makes sure that you push them and inspire them to go to the doctor and have it checked, no? Because at the end of the day, prevention is better and cheaper and always cheaper than cure. Challenges and disputes kung hindi tayo mapag-alaga o kaya hindi natin papantayan ang ating mga actions. But at the end of the day, it's within the control of the rabbit. So, manage your reaction, manage how you respond to others para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng mga unexpected problems along the way. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And abangan nyo po, no, ang next video po, which is the channel. Bye!